Kylie.
Yan ba si Rihanna?
Si Rihanna?
I'm so happy for you.
Ang ganda-ganda pala ni Rihanna.
Hi, Rihanna!
Ah, may accent nga pala to. May ka-chat na Briton. How are you?
I'm good, I'm fine. Hello.
Kabisayan accent.
Nice to meet you, Rihanna.
Hello. You know, yeah.
Parang
Ano ba talaga? Parang Caribbean lang eh.
Rihanna ka ba o Ribe?
Bestie,
Rihanna.
I'm so happy for you. This is it because this is the day. This is it.
Riri, ano talaga ang buo mong pangalan?
Mariana Valenciano.
Rihanna!
Okay.
Yun talagang tawagan nyo, bestie?
How's your Briton boyfriend?
He's asleep right now.
Madaling araw doon. Siya niya Briton eh.
Yaya.
Mabait siya kay Yaya, mabait.
Ano ba yung salamin mo para may black eye?
Sila ano eh.
Are you friends with Yaya?
Nakakalimutan ha.
Kung parang confident siya ni Yaya eh.
That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times.
Friends yun.
Ganda mo yan!
Kaya!
Friends
Sino ko natutuwa kay Yaya pag natatapa yung ano eh.
Basta mag-BFF pa rin tayo ha. Don't forget, chat-chat tayo, okay? Yeah. I know I'm very happy for you because, girl, this is your dream. I know this is your dream.
Wow, fantastic, baby. Fantastic, baby.
Yan. Lakas ng cellphone.
Yeah.
Yung cellphone? Ganun pa rin.
I thought you're asleep.
Ha? I thought you're asleep. Ay, kausap siya ano. Kala daw niya nadulas.
Ano pangalan ng boyfriend niya?
Si
Harry.
Harry.
Yeah, Harry.
Yan ba yung kapatid ni Celso?
Yeah. Hey, kapatid ba yan ni Celso Potter? Kapatid ni Harry
For Harry Potter?
Good time.
Oh.
Baka naman si Harry ng tondo lang yan, ah?
Yeah, Harry. I'm so excited for Yaya. Yeah. For victims. Divina. Yeah. Because the suitor is coming home. Yeah. They will see each other, yeah. Coming now. Yes, and yeah. We prepare. Not lots of food. Just medium food. Yeah. Medium only.
Ginawang t-shirt yung puti.
Yeah.
Medium.
Yeah, Hari, I'm going to prepare now, okay? Yeah. Call you later. Yes.
Oh, bakit ba lang love you? Oo, nakakalimutan.
Okay. O sige, ano?
Tips?
Iwanan muna namin kayo, ha? Okay, Okay, susunod na mga kaibigan, ng isa sa mga kondisyon ni Lola, kakantahin ni Alden. Ha? Ngayon na? Live!
Sariling version ni Alden. Version niya. Live.
Oo.
Yes!
Boses niya, sa madaling salita.
Batang-bata ka pa at marami ka pang kailangang malaman.